Episode 5. The Programmers: How Beliefs Shape Reality. We like to imagine we see the world as it is. We don't. We see the world as we believe it is. Every perception, every judgment, every decision you've ever made passes through a filter, a lens shaped by your past experiences, your memories, your fears, and your expectations. This lens is not chosen consciously. It is built in the subconscious mind, and those who shape it are the ones we call the programmers. Beliefs are not opinions. They are neurological frameworks, clusters of neural pathways that define how information is processed and what meaning it takes. A belief determines what your brain pays attention to, and what it ignores. To one mind, a challenge is a threat. To another, it is an opportunity. Same event. Different reality. Different programmers. When you hold a belief long enough, whether given to you or chosen, the subconscious treats it as a truth. And once something becomes a truth internally, your biology, perception, and behavior reorganize themselves to maintain it. This is the mechanism behind the confirmation bias. The brain searches for evidence that supports what you already believe, and quietly filters out what contradicts it. In other words, your beliefs don't just interpret reality, they edit it. In the 1970s, psychologist Robert Rosenthal demonstrated this power in classrooms. Teachers were told that certain randomly selected children were about to experience an intellectual growth spurt. No such spurt existed. Yet within a year, those children actually outperformed their peers. Why? Because belief changed behavior, subtly but powerfully. Tone of voice, patience, encouragement, tiny signals that shaped achievement. A teacher believed. A child blossomed. That is the architecture of belief. Families, cultures, religions, media, governments, marketing agencies, all are programmers. They install beliefs about identity, possibility, morality, and value long before you ever become aware of the process. You're capable. You're not enough. Money is hard. The world is dangerous. Success is for other people. Some of these beliefs strengthen us. Others imprison us. Most were installed before we ever learned to question them. Inside the brain, a belief is simply a high-speed neural pathway, a highway constructed through repetition and emotional intensity. The more a belief is activated, the more efficient it becomes. Eventually, it runs automatically, instinctively, subconsciously. This is why people repeat the same patterns in relationships, careers, and habits. Your life can only expand to the boundaries set by your strongest beliefs. But here is the breakthrough: beliefs are not fixed. They are programmable. Modern neuroscience shows that when you introduce new, emotionally charged experiences, or deeply vivid visualizations, you can weaken old pathways and build new ones. Confidence can be learned. Self-sabotage can be unlearned. Possibility can be installed. The subconscious mind updates itself through 4 major channels. Repetition. What you revisit becomes familiar, and what becomes familiar becomes believable. Emotion. Intense feelings encode beliefs faster than logic ever could. Identity. Whatever you consistently claim after the words, "I am," becomes a self-fulfilling neurological loop. Environment. The people and ideas you surround yourself with become part of your mental operating system. These 4 programmers determine the architecture of your inner world. And when enough people share the same belief, it doesn't just shape their minds, it shapes civilization. Markets rise and fall based on collective belief. Currencies depend on belief. Laws, borders, culture, all emerge from shared stories the subconscious accepts as reality. Belief is humanity's most powerful architect. Your beliefs are not passive. They are the invisible code animating your thoughts, your emotions, your habits, and your destiny. In the next episode, we explore how this code gets written, intentionally or unintentionally, and the surprising truth about who holds the pen. Because once you understand how beliefs shape reality, you can learn to shape reality back.